Thumpstar 250 ripping! Go! Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Lars, aka MotoBroo, and today we're doing the first ride on the Thumpstar 250cc. And oh my gosh, as you can see, she's looking clean. I'm excited, bro. I want to see how this thing wheel skis. As you guys know, I took it to the dirt bike track, but I couldn't really wheelie it because I had boots on. But I can't wait to see what this thing is actually like at like a lot. We're at this freaking beautiful strip right here. And let's do a little walk around so you can see. So it's like an air-cooled 250cc motor. And it's a little bit different than like a regular 250 dirt bike because it's 21 inches in the front and 18 in the back. And usually like a regular dirt bike will have a 19-inch wheel in the back and also has a shorter wheelbase. So I wonder what that's going to be like in the wheel ski. But I mean, she does look good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She looks good. And as you'll hear in a minute, she sounds flippin' mean, bro. Like, this exhaust right here, I don't know if it's just a straight pipe or what, but it be freaking popping. It be making a lot of noise. Let's start this bad boy up. So she seems pretty quiet right now, right? She don't seem like too vicious or anything, but watch. I'll give her a little bit of pepper. Bruh, as you can see, she's sounding pretty damn mean. Alright, let's hop on this bad boy. Pull some wheel skis. Just have some fun, man. Alright, I'm gonna pull her up. Bro, it tunes so good. Alright, I'm gonna go 12 o'clock. Ah! You hear that backfire? I hope that's normal. I think it is, bro. My old Thumpstar 140, the pit bike, used to backfire like crazy too. Alright, let's do a little off-road wheel ski onto the road. See if I got it. Woo, we did it. To a wheelie, to the jump. Yes, sir! The Thumpstar 250 ripping! Go! Oh my gosh! We're so close to clearing it, dude. Dude, this is like a mini track back here. And then you hit this section, you gotta miss the freaking drainage pipe though. Woo! You gotta jump right here. Bro, off-roading, this thing feels so good. A little whoop section. Oh my gosh. Hop around the tree. Yeah. Little tree stump. That's what I'm saying, dude. It handles these bumps so good. Like, in that sense, it feels like a legit dirt bike. The way it can just handle these freaking little like tree stumps. It's so sick. Alright, let's hit my berm again. Yo, I literally made a berm. There's no lag at all with the throttle, which I love. Like, there's literally no lag. I'm gonna show you guys. I couldn't really show you back there that good, but all right, watch. Like, that's what I'm saying. This freaking. All right, I'm gonna do no clutch and see if I can bring it up. Yeah, that was no clutch right there. Ripping, bro. But yeah, I'm a little bit scared to go like 12 o'clock. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna wing it for y'all. Let's see. Bro, we got hella like engine brake. Woo! Sort of bogging out a little bit. I don't think it likes to be at 12. Maybe I need to adjust the carb a little bit. Give it a little gas. Woo! It wants to go, bro. Like, it wants to fly. It's just so linear, like. difference between like a race 250 and this air-cooled 250, which, like, I mean, the price difference is huge. Like, this is around like 3K, so like you're definitely saving a lot of money. But I just need to figure out the wheelies, bro. Like, getting better, bro. It has a lot of engine brake. It sort of reminds me of like a big 700 quad. Like, I'm barely hitting the freaking brake pedal and it just stays at 12 o'clock. The freaking Thumpstar 250, bro. My first impressions here, like actually wheeling it, this is my first day literally like legit wheeling it at like an open lot. And don't get me wrong, I rate it for wheelies a good like 6 out of 10 right now. It's just cause that car, bro. I don't know, I'm gonna have to ask Thumpstar and see like if there's something I could do to it, but it just wants to bog out at 12 o'clock, which is such a bummer. But like off-roading this thing, I'm having so much fun. Like, it feels like a legit dirt bike. Like I said, it has a smaller wheelbase, which I sort of like a lot. It sort of helps me freaking shred this thing. And the air-cooled motor, so it's reliable as hell. As you guys know, I'm like 5'11", 6 foot, and this bike fits me perfect. And I feel like it would fit like a lot of like smaller riders too, because it has that smaller wheelbase. So it would help for that too. If like, especially if you're getting into riding, bro, I feel like this thing is perfect. Like, you really can't go wrong with this. But like overall, man, I am digging it. Like, it's not bad at all. And as you guys know, I'm coming from like Yamahas and Hondas and riding those bikes and like full-size bikes. My pit bikes have always sort of been like Chinese brands. But like this Thumpstar, it ain't bad. Like overall, my first impression overall, I'm gonna give this bike a solid 8 out of 10 right now. Like, it would be a 9 out of 10 if it could freaking, if it didn't bog out. It doesn't, it's like, it's getting better. Maybe I just need to like ride it more to sort of like get the carb going, because this is literally, I probably put like 2 hours on the bike, if that. Let's do a little off-road section. That's where I feel like this bike really shines, is just on the off-road. Like, ripping through some off-road. A little jump ski. Like, it handles the off-road so good. What the hell? Yo! A little whoop right there, bro. Bro, you hear that, bro? Oh my god, that's a drainage pipe. We almost went straight into the freaking drainage pipe. Oh, that's neutral. It wasn't neutral. We're gonna pop her up and then hit a little off-road section. But it likes the two. You get the two. Woo! Wow. Alright, straight to the off-road. Off-road jump right here. Woo! But like for off-roading, it is so good. It's so sick. Like, if you're an off-roader and you want to get into dirt bikes, but not like want to spend the money on like a legit Japanese dirt bike, this Thumpstar is your freaking go-to deal right there. And the shorter wheelbase, I like it, bro. I don't know if that's been helping me jump, but I really like it. Let's see, pop a little wheelie. I haven't been, dude, this was my OG lot, bro. I haven't been here in so long. Holy crap, it's overgrown like crazy. Oh my god. Hell no. There's definitely some freaking snakes in here. But like I was saying, bro, this is the OG lot. You guys might remember it. This is where I learned all like the beginning stunts on my DRZ, bro. This is where I took my DRZ and learned how to set. My first scrape was here. My first like knee knock. Everything was right here on this lot, bro. The OG MotoBroo lot. And it's still here and it's still alive. Like, it's freaking dope. Alrighty, gang. I hope you guys enjoyed this first ride on the Thumpstar 250. Man, this is a fun bike, especially off-road. And like I said, I still need to tweak some things for the wheel skis. Like, I feel like it would be perfect if the carb could keep getting gas at 12 o'clock. So yeah, we'll see what we can do with that. But remember, stay motivated, stay disciplined. Let's hit one more. Let me hit one more for you. Let me pop one more up real quick before we head out of here. Woo, yes sir. Alrighty, gang. Love ya. Peace.